Hi there, Elliot here from Phase Two. I have a lot of conversations with people when it comes to LinkedIn, just where they say, "Hey, I built a profile. It looks good. What do I do? What do I do on LinkedIn first?" Here's the key. Here's the most important thing. You have to have a network. Without a network, at least by what LinkedIn call first degree connections, nobody is going to see your posts, and you've got really nobody to talk to. How do you start with building the network? Simple. Click on this search button, hit return, and click on all filters. You can see who you're connected to first of all, but let's start with people that are your secondary connections. In other words, those people that are connected to your current first degrees, and say, who do I want to talk to? Well, let's say you want to meet people in London that are, that work in advertising. Yeah. You can select all these things. Perhaps they are the marketing director of managing director, of an advertising company. Show the results. You now have 961 people that might be your ideal person you want to speak to. What do? You hit connect. Start at the top, hit connect, add a note, and say, hi, Sabine, would be great to connect with you here. Look out for them accepting. It will move from pending to, it won't be on the second degree connection at all. And then use the messaging thing. You can then decide to have a conversation with them and introduce yourself properly. I hope that helps.